In this video, we make some duct tape drift tyres and try them out on a skate park. Oh. And Mini ASDs explains what happened.
It went wee!
Alright guys, I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay, and I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items, and I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Hey, we got Steve in the house, we got Mitchell in the house, we got the X-Maxx again. Well, Stephen bought, he's got the Truggy. Savage. Oh, and Savage.
Let's put on the tyre this time.
Oh, did you clean the poo off? Yeah. Stephen, will it land? Oh, yes! People over there, not impressed. Was it impressive? No, it wasn't impressive. Oh! Oh! Hey, it made it! Stephen's got the grip! Stephen's got the grip! Oh! X-Maxx loving it! Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that nose dived. Oh. Alright, so today guys, I'm not going to destroy the X-Maxx, I'm just going to have a little bit of fun with it, but not abuse it too much. Later on we're going to put some duct tape on it, do some drifting. Hey! Uh-oh! I thought I was going to hit our skateboard. Hey! Oh, look at that, that was perfect! Uh-oh, that went up. Oh my god. See a whip. Oh, and he lands it. Nice. Nice. That lasted long. What you want to do is drift around it when it's doing it. Oh, that went up. I didn't mean to go that high. Oh, I've got lipo hanging out. That's not good. Oh, and my little clippy hold down thingy-majig's gone. Oh, so someone in the last video in the comments said, put the duct tape on there and do it on the skate park. What do you reckon?
Yeah, sure.
But a drift skateboard?
I don't think it'll make a difference.
We will see. Da, da, da. Is it the same?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Alright, well that was lame then. Let's try it with the RCs. Oh, it's drifting.
Oh yeah, that's got no grip.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
It's still stuntable. I drift on grass as well, right? Tyres don't balloon. Just see a speed run. This is flat out. That's flat out. Oh! Oh! Yes! What about some normal skate park action? Hey, what are you doing, Mitchell? Oh! Oh guys, that was a lot of cheap fun we've had in a long while. That way, isn't it? If you do it on there, it wears it out pretty quick. Try on the grass. On the grass is pretty good. No ballooning at all, is there? Nice! What's all that racket?
Shut up, Lizzie!
Oh! Stuck. I don't want to destroy your enforcer body. Hey. Hey. Oh, that was close. Yeah, elbow slam. Oh. Oh, that T-bone bumper doing its job.
Play football with it.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, what a dirty side landing. What happened, Stephen? I wasn't going to jump it today. What happened, Stephen?
I broke it.
Oh no! Can you talk like that, Mitchell?
No, no.
Yeah, you can!
No, I can. No, you shan't. Come on, then.
I think AS Steve is better though.
Oh, and it's up, and it's down.
It went wee.
People in the comments are saying, tell Steve to stop making that silly voice. So now we've got two people doing it.
Give me.
If I could do it, I'd be doing it as well. But if I tried, like, hello!
Why not try it?
Hello!
Oh my god.
What happened? I wonder how many people are going to unsubscribe from this video because of the stupid voices.
Some.
What would happen if you did that voice with helium? I think only dogs would hear it. On your head. Oh! The battery's come out again. You know what? I'm going to put it away before I kill it because I wasn't really going to air it out today. I only wanted to drift it at the skate park. I've got plenty of RCs at home that are broken that need fixing. I don't want to add this one to it because this one's actually taken it all day. There's nothing wrong with it. This doesn't really come off. Maybe we can do a burnout. Oh, subscribe. Oh, who put that there?
Do that again. Oh, it's a slapping machine.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Run.
Oh. Does that snap?
Red.
That was 5,000 slaps per minute.
Hell yeah. It's because that's gonna hurt. Oh. Oh, it stings! Kev, it's your turn.
No, I'm not doing it.
Oh. You get a oh.
Where? Yeah, put your bum on it.
Around your butt cheek.
He's been a naughty boy.
It's not that bad, but
Throughout all the years of being a naughty boy, he's just got all the slaps all in like 1 second.
pretty much. It's getting longer and longer.
That means it's gonna hurt more and more. Whose are they?
Mine, boy.
Hey, it's a little stamps.
It's subscribe. Smash the bell button. Peace out.
Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.